Hey Russell fam, today we are making fireball pumpkin pie. Be back in just a minute. Alright, for this recipe, I will leave all the amounts and the ingredients in the description below, but you are going to need fireball, cinnamon whiskey, you are going to need some pumpkin, you are going to need some evaporated milk, you are going to need pumpkin spice, you are going to need some sugar, you are going to need eggs, a pie crust, and for toppings you are going to need some pecans, some jelly belly, cinnamon jelly bellies, and you are going to need some Reddi whip. So I'm going to get all of this measured out and get the cans open, and I'll be back in just a second. Alright, I have measured out my 3 ounces of fireball that I need in here. So we're going to put in our pumpkin. This is 15 ounces of pumpkin filling. Alright, then we're going to add in our 9 ounces of evaporated milk. Alright, then we're going to add in our 2 whisked eggs. Then we are going to add in all of our spices. This is sugar and salt and pumpkin spice. Probably need a bigger bowl. Let's see if I can get it all mixed around. All right, I'm gonna get this mixed around and I'll be back in just a minute. All right, I have mixed everything in the bowl. I'm fixing to pour it in our 9-inch pie crust. I have preheated the oven to 350. So I'm gonna pour it in here, and once the oven gets done, we're gonna bake it for 60 minutes. And when that gets done, we're gonna let it cool to room temperature, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge overnight. So as soon as it comes out of the oven, I will show you what it looks like, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like going into the pie crust. If I can do it without making a really big mess. All right, so it is in the pie crust, and I'm gonna move it to the oven, and we'll be back to show you what it looks like. All right, the timer just went off, and I have taken it out of the oven. We're gonna let it sit here and rest and get to room temperature, and then we'll put it in the fridge overnight. So tomorrow morning when I cut it, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I let the pie cool overnight. I cut a piece, and this is what it looks like. We put some pecans and some Jelly Belly cinnamon on it, and we are fixing to dig into it. All right, I took a bite. I forgot to film that, but this pie is amazing. So you have got to make this, and you've got to use the jelly bean Jelly Bellies. That really makes it good. So happy holidays. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will list everything below. Have a great day. Bye.